Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I had my patrons pick a color palette for an acrylic pour, and the colors they chose were metallic green, pink, turquoise, purple, and black. So we're going to do a pour with these colors, and we're going to see how it comes out. Notice there is no white in here, so this is going to be interesting. Might come out a bit dark, but I think it'll be fun. And we do have the turquoise, which is a lighter color. This purple is on the darker side, but it is very bright and beautiful. So I think that'll be interesting. We'll just have to see how this goes. I think it'll come out looking pretty cool. Turquoise. And then this metallic green. I'm going to try not to put too much black in it, but we're definitely getting black in there. I think it's going to look like Fruit Loops. Okay. Guess we're going to go with all the turquoise. Get some more metallic green in here. And I definitely have noticed that metallics tend to cause more cells. So we'll see how that goes. And then I'm going to finish it off with a bit more black. Okay, this is exciting. And we are going to tree ring this, because I'm very curious how these colors will look together. So far, so good. All right. Definitely see lots of cells developing here. We're going to go ahead and slowly tilt. And guys, if you haven't checked out my Patreon page yet, oh, something big. Definitely check it out. The link's down in the description. Try to do some fun stuff in there like this, where they get to pick the colors, or, you know, giveaways, stuff like that. Gosh, it's just a rough day for my paint today. Look at that green coming through. That's exciting. There's some really cool lacing over on this corner over here that I'm definitely hoping stays there. Awesome. Yeah, look at all those cells. Let's see if we can time lapse this and see if we notice any fun differences there. Okay, we're back. Lots of cool green cells here. Now notice that the green was the metallic color. And the green and the purple kind of took over. And then the turquoise and pink kind of blended in. And luckily the black didn't take over too much. So that's good. Go ahead and do our close-up here. All right, starting on the bottom right-hand corner. Loving this purple. This purple is the Decoart Fluid Acrylics, by the way. I used quite a few different paints in this. The green I actually mixed from Color Shift. This is the upper left-hand corner. and Art Minds paint to make my own colors. Look at this killer lacing in here. The turquoise and the purple and the pink. And all these crazy green cells. So there you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was definitely a fun color combination. And I will see you guys next time.